Well, I finally got one. It's the Tomy Turnin Turbo Dashboard. These things go for a hefty price on eBay, even broken ones like this. So I got one. I'm ready to look inside, see how it works, and get this one going. Let's get closer. Let's see, looks like we have, I don't know, liquid paper or something on there. That's not supposed to be there. Have a scratched up label. You can see the car still moves back and forth. And that stuff still works. Doesn't seem to turn on. It has batteries back here that I didn't put in. Whoever sent this to me, you just broke a federal law by mailing this with batteries in it. And I'm gonna tell. Yeah, and look at that one. That one's leaking. What the hell? Come on. No date on this one, I see. This is really gross and sticky. Okay, if I know my Tomy, and I think I do, there is a screw behind this sticker. You know what? I don't think there is a screw down there. Well, you got me, Tomy. Fine, I'll just take you apart. That one's missing a screw. Okay. I have no idea what's going on there. Why that wouldn't come out. Because of that right there. How are you supposed to get the stupid thing out of there then? Well, there's the inside. Okay, this thing uses 4D batteries. But they're ran in series and parallel, so there's only 3 volts. Let's see what happens here. Okay, it kind of works, but it sounds like some gear problems in there. Time to open this up and see what's in here. Aha, you have to push it sideways a little bit to get it out. So back here it looks like a noise maker and some switches that for lights probably. Okay, it looks like this should come off. Okay, there's the counter and I don't know what that is. Okay, getting complicated here, but I think you gotta pull this pin out. Get rid of the drum with the graphics. Okay, I guess I can get rid of the car. No idea what's going on here. This is about to fall. Those gears look good. Got this thing that looks like it's about to fall out. Well, I guess I should open that up. Let's look here. Here's the motor gear. I can already see the motor gear is cracked. Let's see what's inside this thing. It's a little scary. Yowza. Okay, you have the motor here, and that gear is split. I have to change that. It gets turning this gear that's over here that transfers to here, ends up coming back down to here. Then it gets traveled here diagonally. And see, and it turns this one and those. And somewhere it's turning here. This is here's all the different speeds. This gear moves up and down riding on these different ones. And then one of these, it's traveling over here to turn the little drum. And then this one it's moving this arm back and forth, which I think has to do with the light. Let's get this one changed. Uh-oh, this is an 8-tooth gear. I have 8-tooth gears, but not that size. Mine are way smaller. Well, I thought some of these gears were probably split, especially this one, but it's just dirty. I looked at it under a magnifying glass and it's not split. Go ahead and put this back. I think it just fell into place. Maybe. Oh, we still got something not making it. Oh. Holy shit. Oh, great. Oh. This damn spring over here. Get out of there. That's it. Well, I can't believe I don't have this gear. I can either find this and wait for it from China or make one. Well, I'm not waiting. Alright, I'm definitely not wasting time mixing this really hot. This ought to go off pretty fast. Stick this in the vacuum chamber just for a little while. Okay, I think I got all the air bubbles out. Okay, try to get this on here. It's right there. See if I can remember how this went back together. Let's see. See, this went in here. Okay, this went back in here. Remember, it had slid like that. I guess I should put this on. Go ahead and put this switch into place. It went like that. Okay, this went in here some way. And this, I guess, connected to there. Okay, I think I have it together. I gotta figure this thing out here. I think I can go ahead and just screw that in. Okay. 'Cause this can't put this on yet. Because this has to go in here. So I can change that. Okay, that's that part in. Now, maybe this can go in afterwards. Okay. Okay, there's that. So, can I get this back in there? Without taking it all apart again. Okay, and I was missing a screw. It was in that one. But I think I'm going to leave it out of this one for now. Okay, it's done and it's working, but I have to say, it's taken me quite a while to get one of these at a decent price. I've bid it on several of these on eBay and they just got too high and I just let it go. And buy now prices on there are like $75 to $150 for these things. And after getting this and playing it, I have to tell you, I'm disappointed! So I don't know why you would put it in any other gear other than 4th gear. It's not that hard of a game. I could easily stay in the lines with this thing going full blast. So why you would shift down to 3rd, 2nd, or 1st, or stop, I have no idea, because it's not that fun, really. So I also suffer from motion sickness, and this thing kind of gets me, but never mind. Let me show you how this plays. Okay, to play the game, you're going to push the trip button to get it down to 0. This gives you full tank of gas. You have it in neutral, which is also stop. You turn the key on, and as soon as you go, it starts going. And as long as you don't run off the road, this trip counter will keep going. And then that's your score, basically. So here we go. There you have it. It's like 73. That's my best score so far. Not hard game at all. Okay, so now I'll play it, give it some gas, fill it back up, reset it. Now I'll play sloppy, and you'll be able to see when I run off the road, it makes a clicking noise like I'm running off the road, and the little trip counter here won't go. So here's me not even trying. Okay, that's 30 something. Okay, now here's me resetting it, filling it back up, and I'm not even going to move the steering wheel. I'm just going to let it stay in the very center and let it go. Put it right in the center, let's say. Go right there. Okay, me not even trying, and I still get a score of 69. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I would appreciate a like. It would really help me out. I want to thank these people right here. These are patrons. These are people helping me out, and I appreciate every single one of them. I've got to know several of them, and they are such nice people, and I thank them so very much. If you'd like to become a patron, there's a link below, and there are some perks. So, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.